Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0741, indicates an issue with the torque converter clutch circuit, which can either be performing poorly or stuck in the off position. This issue typically occurs in Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023, particularly affecting vehicles equipped with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The torque converter enables smooth transitions between gears, improving engine efficiency and performance. When the circuit faces inconsistencies, it can lead to transmission issues, reduced fuel efficiency, or erratic acceleration patterns. Diagnosing this code promptly is crucial to prevent further vehicle damage and to maintain optimal performance. Proceeding with a thorough diagnostic and troubleshooting process will help in effectively resolving the underlying problem. The torque converter clutch circuit is integral to the operation of the vehicle's CVT, controlling the connection between the engine and transmission. Located within the CVT assembly, the circuit regulates when the torque converter locks up, allowing for better fuel efficiency and engine performance. The shift solenoid valve B is responsible for managing fluid flow within the transmission, relying on electrical signals to engage and disengage. If it malfunctions, it can disrupt the torque converter's operation. The CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve, also found in the CVT assembly, ensures that the engine runs efficiently by locking the torque converter in specific conditions. These components are essential for maintaining optimal performance and responding to driver commands promptly. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P0741. A faulty shift solenoid valve B may not function correctly, preventing the smooth transition needed between gears, which leads to performance issues. If the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid is malfunctioning, it fails to properly control the locking mechanism of the torque converter. This, in turn, affects the vehicle's acceleration and fuel efficiency. Additionally, any circuit issues in the hydraulic system can obstruct proper fluid flow, which might result in the clutch circuit being stuck in either the on or off position. Identifying and addressing these causal factors is crucial in resolving the DTC effectively. Drivers may experience several symptoms when DTC P0741 is present. Erratic acceleration behavior can occur, where the vehicle fails to respond correctly to throttle inputs, leading to unsafe driving conditions. This can be particularly bothersome during overtaking or merging into traffic. Additionally, reduced fuel efficiency may be noted, as the torque converter is not operating optimally, causing the engine to work harder. Transmission slipping is another common symptom, where the vehicle may unexpectedly lose power during acceleration or shifting, indicating that the torque converter is unable to engage properly. These symptoms can greatly affect the daily driving experience, making timely diagnosis and repair essential. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0741 involves ensuring the vehicle is in the on mode. This initial setting prepares the vehicle for diagnostics. Next, it's essential to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to eliminate any existing codes and establish a fresh baseline for testing. After clearing the codes, the engine must be warmed up to its normal operating temperature, which is indicated when the radiator fan comes on twice. This warm-up period is crucial, as it ensures the vehicle operates under conditions similar to those that might trigger the DTC. Following this, proceed to the next step, which is to test drive the vehicle. In the second troubleshooting step, vehicle test driving is necessary at a consistent speed of about 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour on a flat road. This step allows any operational issues to surface, especially those related to the transmission's performance under load. After driving for at least 1 minute at this speed, it's crucial to slow down and bring the vehicle to a stop. After the stop, Utilize the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P0741 still appears, it confirms that the problem is persistent. However, if it does not reappear, the failure may be intermittent. In that case, refer to the freeze frame data for further analysis. In this step, you must perform a test on the shift solenoid valve B to determine its functionality. The solenoid should engage properly when electrical signals are sent. If the test confirms that the shift solenoid valve B works as intended, you will move on to the next step in the troubleshooting process. Conversely, if the solenoid valve does not perform correctly, it's deemed faulty, and replacement of the valve body assembly is required. This step is critical, as a malfunctioning shift solenoid directly impacts the torque converter's engagement and performance, leading to issues associated with DTC P0741. The fourth step revolves around checking the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid valve to ensure it operates effectively. This component regulates the locking mechanism of the torque converter, so its proper functionality is vital. Conduct the valve test to see if it responds appropriately to command signals. If the valve is functioning correctly, you may need to consider replacing the valve body assembly or the torque converter itself, as well as cleaning the hydraulic circuit to ensure optimal function. Should the solenoid prove faulty during testing, it will also necessitate the replacement of the valve body assembly to resolve the DTC effectively. This careful examination helps in rectifying the core issues affecting the torque converter performance. After completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P0741, the final verification step is crucial to ensure the vehicle functions correctly. Clear all DTCs again using the HDS to reset the diagnostic system. Subsequently, conduct a test drive under the same conditions that initially triggered the DTC. This aids in verifying whether the repairs successfully address the problem. During the drive, pay close attention to the operation of the torque converter clutch, ensuring it engages smoothly without erratic behavior. If the vehicle performs well and no codes reappear, it signifies that the repair has resolved the issue effectively, confirming the system's integrity. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0741, implementing a regular preventive maintenance schedule is essential. This includes performing fluid changes at specified intervals to maintain optimal transmission health, as old fluid can lead to degradation in performance and component wear. Regularly inspect solenoid performance, ensuring that the shift solenoid valve B and CVT lockup clutch solenoid remain functional. Additionally, it is vital to monitor the overall transmission behavior during normal driving to detect any early signs of abnormal performance. By maintaining a proactive approach, vehicle owners can help avert significant transmission issues and extend the life of their Honda Accord's CVT. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0741 and its implications is crucial for Honda Accord owners from 2017 to 2023. By identifying the symptoms associated with the issue, such as erratic acceleration and reduced fuel efficiency, drivers can act promptly to avoid severe transmission damage. The detailed troubleshooting steps outlined provide a comprehensive strategy to diagnose and repair this DTC, ensuring that all related components, such as the shift solenoid valve B and the CVT lockup clutch control valve, are functioning optimally. Regular maintenance practices, including fluid changes and performance inspections, are essential in preventing future occurrences of this DTC. Maintaining an awareness of vehicle performance can lead to safer driving experiences and increased vehicle longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.